How do you determine your max offer on a house? You work backward from what the property is worth finished. You never work forward from what the seller is asking. Start with after repair value, subtract rehab, subtract carrying costs, financing points, closing costs on both ends, and the commission you pay when you sell. Subtract the profit you need for taking the risk. What is left is your max offer. Say the finished value is $240,000 and rehab runs $40,000. If costs and required profit come to $45,000, your ceiling is $155,000, and it does not move because the seller has a story. Two things get skipped. The 70% rule is a screening filter, not an offer. Fixed costs eat a much bigger share of a $90,000 deal than a $400,000 one, so a single multiplier cannot be right in both. Build the number from your own line items and grade your comps by condition. If you set after repair value off fully renovated sales but you are planning a cosmetic refresh, the ARV is fiction and your max offer inherits every dollar of that error. Write your number down before you tour the property. Emotion shows up after you walk it. The deal analyzer linked below runs the full math from one address.